This is what my calendar looks like every single morning when I wake up, completely filled with qualified prospects who want to talk about life insurance. And I didn't make a single phone call to book any of these appointments. And this is my AI system, the same infrastructure that I install for my clients. While I was sleeping, my AI system was working. So today, I'm going to show you how this works because most insurance agents have no idea this even exists. See, most agents are spending $20,000 to $50,000 every single month on lead vendor packs, and 90% of the people don't even answer the phone. Then, even when they do book appointments, 40% don't show up. Agents are burning out dialing junk data leads. Managers are babysitting spreadsheets instead of leading, and owners are stuck duct taping 8 to 10 different tools together just to survive. But what if I told you there was a completely different way? What if instead of buying recycled lead packs, qualified prospects came to you ready to book themselves onto your calendar? And this is called the AI system, my AI growth infrastructure. And here's exactly how the system works. Step one is because we use AI to target your ideal customer to find the 3% that are ready to buy right now. These aren't just names, numbers, and emails. These are vetted and qualified prospects who are looking for you to show up on a call so that they can acquire life insurance from you. Step two is we use the AI qualification process. Now, here's where it gets interesting. They go through this exact process and they book themselves. They watch a video, they get sold on the process, they fill out some information, and then they fill out an AI survey, which is putting their information in again, and then they go to a calendar and they put in their information again. That's 3 times they've booked themselves. I mean, it doesn't get more qualified than that. You see, when you use AI to qualify prospects and your marketing message is on point, then you can decide who you want to work with. Step 3 is the call conversion. And this experience is where VAs are going to call your leads, but they're not cold calling prospects. These people have already watched our content, they filled out the forms, and engaged with our AI system. And when a VA calls them, they're like, yeah, hey, I'm just reaching out to you for the information that you filled out about the IUL, and how can I help you, right? And then they just start talking to them. Nobody's hanging up, nobody's cursing anybody out, and they don't say, oh, I didn't fill that form out. Oh, and by the way, if you want to see exactly how this AI system works and how we can install it into your agency, there's a link in the description so that you can learn how we use our done for you implementation. Step 4 is going to be automatic client management. And this is where your calendar fills up automatically with qualified prospects. And it's not going to be people who didn't qualify, who are unhealthy or don't have any money. And we're definitely going to kick out the tire kickers so that people show up to your appointments ready to go. And this is important because, again, like I said, 40% of the calls that get booked by the lead packs, they don't show. There's also a reactivation campaign that allows you to recoup thousands of dollars that are just sitting in your CRM that you think are dead leads. And the only thing we got to do is press one button and your calendar starts to get booked up day after day after day. You see, we systematically use a system that books you 10 to 20 appointments a day. And I know it works because I'm the king of leads. And I've helped issue pay over $110 million of issue paid business. Like my client, Braden, who at 19 years old is going to have a $200K month this month, and in his first year he's going to write $1 million on his own pen. Or Kevin Alexander, who was the very first client I ever had to do $1.2 million over 12 months. Or my client Steve Giordano, who has been the #1 agent at his IMO for the last 5 years. Here's exactly why this system works and what it looks like. So the reason why this system works is because most agents are so behind that they have no idea that this AI system even exists. And that's why it's so easy for me to go and join other programs and learn new stuff and just bring it back to you guys. And I don't really have to innovate because you guys are so far behind. And here's what makes this different from any of the competitors. I'm the king of leads, and I've been getting these results longer than anybody else. And while the other agencies are still teaching you to buy lead packs and patch together systems that don't work, I've mastered the AI infrastructure and the approach. And what happens is it takes a person from a lead to filling out a form to answering some more questions on an AI survey to booking a call to ultimately becoming the 3% that are ready to buy now. And I've helped dozens of agents scale to $500,000 to $1 million per month. I've even seen agencies completely transform their agency, not by just using AI, but implementing the systems in AI that all work together. Because when you have Facebook ads and a CRM and a chatbot and an appointment setter and a no-show rescue, it captures all of this data and has a system that works together to grow your business. And that's when you'll see exponential results instead of just incremental improvements. You see, most agents are still stuck buying recycled lead packs and duct taping 8 systems together, and they don't talk to each other. But the 1% agency owners, they're building AI systems that generate, qualify, and book appointments automatically while they sleep. And if you want to see how we can install this AI infrastructure into agencies like yours, click the first link in the description and learn about how our 90-day implement process can help you grow your agency. I'll see you in the next video.